Hello everyone, friends! Welcome to the Weavler channel. Today, I'll show you how to change your region in Spotify. Open any browser, okay? Type in Spotify. Go to the website. Click on your account. Scroll down and go to Spotify support, click on it. Scroll down and click on Spotify contact, then message us. Write here what you want. I want to change my country or region in my account. They'll immediately send you a form where you can provide confirmation that you're in another country or other proof that you need to change your region, and then you can complete it. If you can do it another way, like using a different payment method in your current country, you can go to your account, click Edit Personal Information, and find country or region there. And it should be visible to you there. If you don't have premium, I think you can change it without any additional verification. If we go here, we can also change this information. That's all for now.